Здравейте, приятели, аз съм Ники и днес ще говорим за родовете в българския език. И така, днес ще се запознаем с това как да разберем кои съществителни са мъжки род, женски и среден. Hello friends, I'm Nikki and today we'll speak about the gender of nouns. And today we will learn how to distinguish between masculine, feminine and neuter. As you know, all Slavic languages contain genders, and mainly these are three genders. And we will learn how to distinguish between them in Bulgarian. I know this is a very difficult topic for all foreigners, but we will try to explain, to clarify some basic principles here. Generally, masculine or мъжки род ends in consonant. Examples: автомобил, самолет, дом, човек, българин, гост, телефон, компютър, студент. But you should pay attention to the fact that we can use masculine nouns with articles, and then you can have problems in identifying exactly which one is masculine, which one is feminine, for example. Be careful also with the words that end in i kratko or i short, like chai and mai, because these are also masculine. Now about женски род or feminine. It usually ends in a or я. Жена, къща, котка, лекарка, учителка, българка, майка, сестра. However, pay attention to the fact that we have some exceptions, like захар, сол, вечер, песен, нощ. This is the reason why we say лека нощ and not лек нощ. And also we have problem with the word вечер or evening, because the archaic type of such greeting like good evening is добър вечер, so we still keep it, but the fact is that вечер at this moment is feminine. It is feminine, so we say хубава вечер, but добър вечер. Now I wanted also to add something about the neuter, среден род. So these are nouns that end in o and e. Село, куче, дете, момче, момиче, училище, образование, лекарство. Pay attention that all words that end in ще and also ние are also neuter words. And there is another exception that I didn't write here. Животно, животно, it is also neuter. Now you should be careful, as I said, with such masculine words like шофьор, because when we add the short masculine article a, it becomes шофьора. Therefore, you need to be certain exactly where we use articles and where we don't use them.